If you're wearing a mask and you yawn, do you still have to cover your mouth, or is?
That's a good question. That's a good question. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. How did you think about that one?
Sheikh, I was in Jummah and Allah forgive me, I was yawning and I kept on thinking, should I put my hand in front of the mask or is the mask okay?
Right. Does it, if you haven't got the mask, do you need to put your hands? Or can you do it somewhere else?
Yeah, you can put your elbow, or you can put your...
No, nothing, without putting anything.
Or you can try to restrict it.
To digest it, yes.
Digest it, yes.
Close your mouth, right? So now the mask definitely will cover the mouth, definitely, okay? But you could just, better is digest it plus cover it. Because you remember the shaitan wants to jump in. Okay, shaitan wants to jump in. So you're trying to make it impossible for him. So which is better now? To just leave the mouth open and the mask is on, or close my mouth plus the mask on? Okay,
both.
Same thing it is. Well, you digest it and you put your hand in case it will open a bit, because he will jump regardless of how small is the hole. Now,